In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube shorts. So what I did was I made this one video. It's like 50 seconds long, and here I can select the custom thumbnail at the end. Now the thing is how I did this. Let me just show you. So I went on to Canva. If I can open Canva over here, let me just show you that. Okay, here we are in Canva, and if I open up this one, I made this over here, and well, this is what I did in Canva. Then I went over on to YouTube. Let's see over here. So here what I did was that let's say if I go back from here, you see I selected the video itself, and then what I did was I added this one as well. I added both of these. So I hope you can understand what I did. I added this and I added this, and well, by the way, this is food I was having a little bit ago. Anyways, after that, let me just cross this, and I went over here. This is the whole video. It has that image at the end, and then I can go at the end and select this one, and then I can post it, and I can have a custom thumbnail on my YouTube shorts from mobile.